Hi there. Would you be interested if I told you your entire team could be trained on storytelling in just 2 hours? There's more, and everyone could bring one real work example to work on with me. I'm sure you know by now that storytelling is the most effective way to win over an audience. Stories are also a great way to build trust and create loyalty. Stories humanize every form of communication. I developed storytelling for high performance in 2 hours to teach the essence of storytelling in 4 simple steps so that as many people as possible get to learn this important skill. I'm taking up to only 10 people per class because I'm giving every participant my utmost attention. Every minute of this workshop is put to productive use. And if you're planning a sales conference or team building event, this topic is a great item to have in your program. So write to me today and book a slot. Let us all start telling stories. I'm Joseph Wong.